Namaste. So today's topic in pharmaceutical organic chemistry is pyridine and quinolines. Pyridine is a basic heterocyclic organic compound with the chemical formula C5H5N. It is structurally related to benzene with the 1-methine group replaced by a nitrogen atom. It is a highly flammable, weakly alkali, water miscible liquid with a distinctive unpleasant fish like smell. Pyridine is colorless, but old or impure sample can appear yellow. The pyridine ring can occur in many important compounds include agrochemical, pharmaceutical and vitamins. Pyridine is a basic heterocyclic organic compound with the chemical formula given in many aspects. It can be related to well stabilized and very fundamental aromatic molecule benzene with one carbon hydrogen group replaced by a nitrogen atom. Pyridine has a conjugated system of 6 pi electrons exactly as benzene has that are delocalized over the heterocyclic ring. The molecule in planar in nature and followed Huckel criteria for aromaticity. This is the synthesis of different derivatives of pyridine on potassium synthesis of pyridine catalyzed by magnesium oxide. You can see here some reactions. Then synthesis of noble series or imidazole pyridine derivatives is also given here. Then characteristic of pyridine derivative UV visual spectroscopy. The pyridine derivative give different characteristic band in the region of 362 to 460 nanometer owing to the presence of various substitution also known as chromophores attached to main pyridine rings. The presence of these chromospheres, which are electron donor in nature, show absorption in the range of 391 to 460 nanometer. If the chromophores are electron acceptor, then the observed absorption is in the region of 362 to 415 nanometer. The presence of electron donor chromatophore, that is methyl moiety, at position carbon 4 and carbon 3 4 third and fourth position give bathochromic shift, means red color, but acceptor, that is nitro moiety chromophore, are responsible for hyposomic chromic shift, means blue color. Biological application: it is antibacterial. Pyridine derivatives such as diacylhydrazine compound 3rd and acylhydrazine compound 4 possess existing antibacterial activity against the gram-negative bacteria. Antiviral: influenza B mass virus. The oxime derivative of thiazolopyridine exhibit activity against influenza B mass virus. An oxime derivative of pyridine and naphthyridine have high activity against HIV. Antioxidants: some thiopyridine derivatives are antioxidant. In addition to the cytotoxic DPPH activity, these activity are quite attractive. Particular compound 29 show highest SOD and DPPH activity. Antidiabetic: the pyridine derivative contain thiazolidiones exhibit antidiabetic activity using GOD and POD method. The result reveal the some of these compounds show very effective antidiabetic activities. Next is quinolones. Any of a class of aromatic heterocyclic compound contain a benzene ring fused with a ring of 5 carbon atom and a nitrogen atom, especially the simplest compound C9H7N9. Quinoline is a heterocyclic aromatic organic compound with the chemical formula given. It is colorless, hygroscopic liquid with a strong odor. Aged sample, if exposed to light, become yellow and later brown. Quinoline is only slightly soluble in cold water but dissolved readily in hot water and most organic solvents. Quinoline itself has few applications, but many of its derivatives are useful in diverse applications. A prominent example is quinoline, which is found naturally in the plants. Alkaloids 4-hydroxy to alkyl quinolines are involved in antibiotic resistance. Next is property of quinolines. Quinolines is a hygroscopic liquid with a penetrating odor. It absorbs as much as 22% water and is volatile with steam. Quinoline is slightly soluble in cold water, more easily in hot water, and miscible with alcohol, ether, carbon disulfide. It dissolves sulfur, phosphorus, and arsenic trioxide. It is colorless liquid as I told. Its boiling point is 238 degrees Celsius, having disagreeable pyridine-like odor. Chemically, it gives all reaction of pyridine and electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene ring. Next is source and emission. Source Source of quinolines include petroleum, coal processing, wood preservation, production and use facilities, and shale oil. Quinolines has been detected in tobacco smoke, emission from petrol refining, coal and shale oil process, and wood preservation. Quinolines has also been detected in coal over tars emission. No emission of quinolines from stationary source in California were reported based on data obtained from the Air Toxic Hotspot Program. Natural occurrence. Quinolines occur naturally in small amount in coal tar and in slightly decomposed sphagnum pits. It also may be extracted from bone oil. So these are the natural occurrences of quinolines. So here we completed these two topics. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.